In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text in Clipchamp. It's a simple process, and with a little guidance, you'll be able to create impressive scrolling text in just a few minutes. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to need to open up your web browser. Once you're there, type Clipchamp into your search bar and press enter. Clipchamp is a popular online video editing tool that you can access easily from your browser. No downloads necessary. Once you find it, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick to sign up, and you'll be ready to start in no time. Now, with that done, it's time to create a new project. This will be where you bring your vision to life. Once you're in your project space, you'll notice a toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. From this toolbar, you'll want to click on the Text tab. This is where all your text-related features are located. As you scroll down the list of text and title options, keep an eye out for the credits roll title. You'll typically find it under the special category. This is the option that will allow your text to scroll, giving that classic credits effect you might be aiming for. Once you've located the credits roll title, it's time to put it onto your timeline. Simply drag and drop it above the video clip where you want your scrolling text to begin. This is your canvas to work with, so you can adjust it to perfectly fit your video's needs. After you've placed your text, click on the text box within your timeline to select it. You'll then see options appear on the right, in the Property panel. From here, you can begin customizing your text. Change the font, size, color, and alignment to match your style. To add more lines of text, just press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard. This flexibility means you can convey exactly the message you want. The pace of your scrolling text is something you can control as well. The length of the text box on your timeline determines how fast your text moves. If you want it to scroll more slowly, drag the end of the text box to the right to extend its duration. Conversely, to speed it up, just shorten the text box by dragging it to the left. Lastly, you'll want to preview your creation to make sure everything looks just right. Hit the play button and watch your animation in action. If you're happy with how it looks, the final step is to click the Export button located in the top right corner of your screen. This will save your video, and you're all set with your scrolling text masterpiece. And that's it. You've just learned how to create scrolling text in Clipchamp. Now give yourself a pat on the back and maybe even share your creation with friends or followers. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.